And a bit of health now. The Lagos State Health Management Agency says anyone registering to obtain the card for Lagos State Residency can now register for the state's health insurance scheme with the same card. The plan was announced when the executives of both government agencies briefed journalists on the new strategies and targets to be achieved. Senior correspondent Jacqueline Ogo reports.
To ensure Lagos State meets with the UN target of universal health coverage by 2020, Lagos State Health Management Agency, the custodian of the state's social health insurance scheme, has entered into strategic partnership with Lagos State Residence Registration Agency, LASRA, to see that anyone registering to obtain the state's residency card will, at the same time, register to take advantage of the health insurance scheme with that same card.
The National Health Insurance Authority Act of 2022 makes enrollment of all Nigerians mandatory of the social health insurance scheme operating in their state of residence. This means that health insurance coverage is now mandatory for all residents in any state. Our partnership with LASRA, therefore, is the beginning of another journey which we expect to increase our enrollment, our awareness, registration, enrollment drive, and utilization of healthcare services covered by Ilera Eco.
And then what it is that you can also make payment with that card, you can withdraw with that card, so you don't need to go anywhere else when you're visiting your primary healthcare centers or general hospitals. Everything you need will be resident on the card.
Lagos State resident registration is free. This is according to the general manager, who also says there are at least 62 registration points across local government areas of the state.
Registration with LASRA affords access to the Lagos State Health Insurance Scheme, as well as seamless access to a plethora of Lagos State services.
The minimum premium for the state's health insurance scheme is 8,500 naira for now for an individual for 1 year. The important requirements for registration are valid identification means. The permanent secretary of LASHMA says anyone who works with her agency as an independent agent that brings people to register will be paid commission for doing that. Jacqueline Ogo, TV.